welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing something different. Click, clack, 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 clack. You know how you just get your nails done, you just be talking with your hands? So that's me. I'm clacking on y'all. Anyways, flips hair. I know you guys tell something different. I have straight hair. I don't have curly hair like how I normally wear curly hair. So I'm trying to readjust, to having straight hair. But anyway, back to the video. So today I'm making a strawberry and kiwi mixed drink. I know you guys like, mixed drink? You don't make mixed drinks? Who do you think you are? I try and be a bartender here and there. So if you want to see how I made my strawberry and kiwi mixed drink, keep watching. Okay, so step one, we're going to get some Barefoot Bubbly or whatever Chardonnay you guys have. And I'm using this little shaker that I bought from Amazon. I have to be in the drinks like, shaking it. So this is what I got from Amazon. I will have everything linked below. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour a shot of the Chardonnay into your mixer. So I think I probably went over a shot, but you're going to pour a shot into your mixer. Next, you're going to grab some strawberry kiwi juice. I have Welch's that I got from the dollar store. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a measuring cup and you're going to pour a half of cup of the strawberry kiwi into your mix. Ooh, I couldn't open it for a second. So go ahead and pour. So I found this at the liquor store. It is Smirnoff strawberry and rose infusion. And I was kind of curious because I'm like, what does rose even taste like? So what you're going to do is you're going to pour a shot of strawberry and rose into your mixer like such. Then you're going to put your top on. You're going to put it on. Make sure it is on tightly, because if it's not on tight, then it will come out. So make sure it's on tight. And then you're just going to shake. See, you see how mine just spilled everywhere? Make sure it's on tight or it's going to spill everywhere. Now the fun and easy part, you're just going to grab some ice and fill it up. And then you're going to put some fruit on the side. So I like to use fresh strawberries and kiwi because it's going to make it look really, really pretty. So I didn't add that much ice, but if you feel like, you want a lot of ice and you want your drink to be really, really cold, you can go ahead and add that in there. Yo, this looks so good. Don't mind my little alcoholic background in cereal. Don't mind that whole background, okay? I make a lot of drinks for a lot of people, okay? But I'm about to taste this because I never really make mixed drinks like that. So I'm about to taste it. This tastes so good. Y'all, if I don't tell y'all to make nothing else, y'all need to make this drink. Like, y'all just gotta make this drink. Like, I just don't understand. If I don't tell y'all to make nothing else, y'all gotta make this drink right here. This tastes like juice. Honestly, it tastes like juice. But you put Chardonnay, you put Smirnoff, and you can put, if you want it to be extra, extra, extra strong, you can put some rum in there, girl. You can make it as strong as you like. But for my mommies who just like to sit home and chill, this is for you. This screams summer. So if you are having a 4th of July party, or you just having a birthday party, or your friends coming over, make this drink. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm also going to have 2 more videos coming on today. So if you see me in the same romper, don't judge me. It's been a long day, okay? Don't say nothing. Just know I made 3 videos in one day. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.